This video will be covering topic 4.1.2, the chemistry and biological advantage of ATCase. ATCase transfers carbamyl from carbamyl phosphate to aspartate. We're going to draw out those reactions right here. Here's the carbamyl group. It's attached to phosphate, making it a high energy molecule. Here, phosphate is an abbreviation for this chemical entity right here. And here's aspartate with its amino group, alpha carbon, side chain, and carboxylic acid functional group. So this is aspartate. And the enzyme transfers this carbamyl group onto the amino terminus, onto the amino group of aspartate to form N-carbamyl aspartate. And the structure of that is given right here. And another product is inorganic phosphate. So this is just the carbamyl group. This is the new bond that was formed. And then we can draw in here the alpha carbon, the side chain, and the carboxylic acid functional group of aspartate. And then after several other enzymatic steps catalyzed by other enzymes, which we're not going to draw out here, we arrive at a molecule of CTP, which we'll draw out in its molecular form here. Negative charges here. So this is CTP. And this first reaction, which is catalyzed by ATCase, this is the first committed step in this biosynthetic pathway to make the pyrimidine CTP. And it is, once we've made this molecule, there's no going back. So the biological advantage for including regulation of ATCase is that once we have enough of the CTP, we can inform the enzyme that we have enough and you should stop making more. And that helps to leave these resources available for other biosynthetic pathways or for other cellular processes. And the interesting thing is that the molecule regulating ATCase, this CTP molecule, resembles neither the products nor the substrates of the reaction. If you look at the textbook, you can see that there's a portion. These atoms right here are derived from aspartate and from carbamyl phosphate, but the rest of the molecule has a completely different structure. And that's what makes the whole system quite remarkable. How is it that the enzyme is able to interact with these different chemicals, responding in a regulatory way to CTP and also to aspartate, which indicates resources are rich and positively influences the activity of the enzyme. And another molecule that's not drawn here, but which also positively influences the activity of the enzyme, is ATP. Similar to aspartate, ATP indicates to the cell that we have a lot of resources and this would be a good time to make new cells or start replicating the DNA. Cut.